Lutron dimmers can easily be installed in under 15 minutes and require only a screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a piece of electrical tape. First, turn the power off at the breaker. Double-check to make sure the power is off. If you are installing this dimmer with other devices, break off the fins on the side where there is an adjacent dimmer or switch. We're going to start with installing the dimmer in a single-pole application. Then we will install the dimmer with a three-way wiring solution. Lastly, we will show you how to adjust the dimming range. First, remove your existing switch. If two wires are attached to the same screw, make sure they remain connected together on the new dimmer. Connect the ground wire, typically a bare copper wire, to the green wire on the dimmer. Connect one of the two wires from your wall to the black wire on your new dimmer. Connect the remaining wire from the wall to the solid red wire on your new dimmer and cap the remaining red striped wire. Mount the dimmer in the wall. Then turn the power back on at the breaker and check that the dimmer turns on and off. If you have two switches that control this light, you should have 3 wires plus a ground connected to your old switch. Take a piece of electrical tape and tag the wire connected to the different colored screw of the existing switch. This is typically a black wire. Then disconnect and remove your existing switch. Connect the ground wire, typically a bare copper wire, to the green wire on the dimmer. Connect the tagged wire to the black wire on your new dimmer. Then connect the remaining 2 wires individually to the 2 red wires on the dimmer. Mount the control, then turn the power back on at the breaker and check that the dimmer turns on and off. Now that you've installed the dimmer, adjust the dimming range lever to improve bulb performance. This will help to reduce any bulb flickering at the low end of the dimming range. Turn the lights on. Move the slider as far down as it will go. If the lights are flickering, adjust the blue lever until they stop. Turn the lights off and then on again. And if all the bulbs don't turn on or are flickering, repeat the previous steps and readjust the lever. Add the Lutron screwless wall plate, and that's it.